desert dust bowl song, where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, a backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun.
Further examination, I think I'm going to have to get some hardware. All that was holding these covers on was two different pieces of mismatched and completely incorrect hardware, and nothing else. I think we'd be safer off with no covers at all than with using this. So let's take those covers off and see what's underneath. An idler. That's kind of interesting to run the idler that close to there. So you really have no tensioner per se. I mean, the belt looks good, everything looks pretty good. I'm just going to clean up under here and then try and find something to properly install these covers. Nuts missing there. It was supposed to have captured nuts in various locations, and they are long gone. Okay, so this is the front bar that hangs the mower there, and it needs to pivot, and it doesn't. I've had heat going on it and penetrating fluid and hammer and everything, and it won't go. So I'm going to remove the whole arm, put it in a vise, and hopefully I can make it work that way. Of course. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. These bolts down here are not cooperating. Well, I got one. It wasn't easy, but I got one. The other one's going to be tougher because I can't put a socket on it. Come on. Oh, she's moving. Oh. Hi, Mama. All right, desperate times call for desperate measures. I've got this arm soaking in, well, for lack of a better term, it's shit mix. It's ATF, diesel, gasoline, and acetone. And, you know, there's not enough to cover it, but at least, well, hopefully just letting it sit there and soak overnight will loosen it off. So I guess we will find out tomorrow. Starting to move. Rip my bicycle. I don't know how long it's been, but judicious application of heat and fluid is finally moving a little bit. Man, that was a lot of work. Alright, so there's the bar all attached. I was actually able to spin that all the way around. It's still stiff, but with the weight of the deck on there, it should be okay. I gave it a quick shot of Chevy Orange, nothing too cautious or nice, just because I burned so much paint off it, really. And I've hung the bell crank under there. I still have to put the rod in between, but it's there. And I guess really once the rod is on, the next thing to do is to slide this mower deck underneath and get the belt on and make it go up and down and start cutting. Actually, I want to put repair the bushings here too. Hey birds, you happy to be outside? Now lay some eggs, damn it.